Dear students, in this session we'll discuss about ncert class 11 trigonometry part 6. In this session we'll discuss about the derivation of some of the identities. In the previous session we have discussed some more identities. Here, if none of the angles x, y and x plus y is an odd multiple of pi by 2, that is x, y and x plus y should not be equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. This is only odd multiple of pi by 2. Why? Because the tan function will be sine by cos. So cos function, when if it is odd multiple of pi by 2, the value becomes 0. So the denominator 0 means the tan function will not be possible. Even the graph will not exist in this area. So tan function means that angles should not takes the value of odd multiples of pi by 2. So only 2n plus 1 into pi by 2 is not possible for tan function. So if x, y and x plus y is not equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, so that we have to prove tan of x plus y equal to tan x plus tan y by 1 minus tan x tan y. So for this, let me take the left hand side. So our left hand side will be tan of x plus y. Tan of x plus y can be written as sin of x plus y by cos of x plus y. Sin of x plus y divided by cos of x plus y. Sin of x plus y is nothing but sin x cos y plus cos x sin y divided by cos of x plus y become cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. So, if we divide both sides by sin x cos y, here suppose if we divide by cos x cos y if we divide on both the sides, that means numerator also and the whole denominator also we are going to be dividing by cos x cos y. It's cos x cos y we are going to be dividing. So let me see what will happen. So in the first term of the numerator, sin x cos y divided by cos x cos y plus here this is cos x sin y divided by here also cos x cos y divided by the denominator also we need to divide by cos x cos y. So the first term will be cos x cos y, this we should divide by cos x cos y minus the second term will be sin x sin y. So sin x sin y divided by cos x cos y. So let me try to cancel the terms if it is possible. So cos y will get cancelled. We have cos x will get cancelled. Here both cos x cos y will get cancelled. Here nothing will cancel. So let me see what are the remaining terms. In the first term we have sin x by cos x. Sin x by cos x is nothing but tan x. So tan x plus the second term will be sin y by cos y. Sin y by cos y is nothing but tan y. Tan y divided by the first term here both have cancelled, so we'll get 1 minus sin x by cos x become tan x and the sin y by cos y become tan y. So we got tan x plus tan y by 1 minus tan x tan y. Next term, tan of x minus y equal to tan x minus tan y by 1 plus tan x tan y. In the previous the identity, we have proved that tan of x plus y. Now this is tan of x minus y. So let me replace x plus y, that y as minus y. So replace y by minus y in tan of x plus y. So first we take tan of x plus y. Tan of x plus y become tan x plus tan y. So what the sign is here, the same sign should come here. Divided by, the opposite sign will be in the denominator. So 1 minus tan x tan y. So this is the tan x plus y function. So let me replace y as minus y. So tan of x plus minus y equal to tan x plus tan of minus y divided by 1 minus tan x into tan of minus y. So tan of minus y is nothing but minus tan y. Tan of minus y is minus tan y. So if we substitute here, it is nothing but tan x minus tan y divided by 1 minus tan of minus y is minus tan y. Already one minus is here. Minus into minus become plus. So plus tan x tan y. So tan of x minus y. Here plus into minus become minus. So tan of x minus y will be tan x minus tan y by 1 plus tan x tan y, as we proved. Next one. If none of the angles x, y and x plus y is multiples of pi, so that we have to prove cot of x plus y equal to cot x cot y minus 1 by cot y plus cot x. Here, in the case of cot function, so cot x is nothing but cos x divided by sin x. So sin function will be 0 if it is multiples of pi. So that pi, sin pi, sin 2 pi, sin 3 pi. So in these areas, that is sin n pi, in these areas, sin function become 0. So the denominator 0 should not be possible. So the cot function does not exist when x is equal to n pi. So x and y, all these angles, x, y, and what are all the angles we are taking here, x plus y. So everything is not equal to n pi. It should not be equal to n pi. So first let me write cot x plus y. Cot of x plus y is nothing but cos of x plus y divided by sin of x plus y. So we know these two identities. So let me substitute here. Cos of x plus y become, cos of x plus y is cos x cos y minus sin x sin y divided by sin of x plus y is nothing but sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Sin y. So here in both the sides, let me divide by sin x sin y. Let me divide by this function sin x sin y on both the sides. Divide by sin x sin y. So that we will get, so let me write here on. So cos x cos y divided by sin x sin y minus sin x sin y divided by sin x sin y. in the denominator also sin x cos y, we are going to be dividing by sin x sin y plus cos x sin y divided by sin x sin y. So let me cancel the possibilities. So here nothing will cancel. Here both sin x and sin y will get cancelled. Here sin y will get cancelled. Here sin x will get cancelled. So the remaining will be the first term. Cos x by sin x is tan x. So tan x, cos y by sin y become tan y. Tan y minus 1 divided by cos y by sin y is, so cos is there. So cos x by sin x is cot x. So cos x by sin x become cot x. Cos y by sin y become cot y. Minus, here everything has cancelled, so only 1. The denominator, here cos y by sin y. So cos y by sin y is cot y. Cot y plus cos x by sin x become cot x. So cot x, cot y minus 1 by cot y plus cot x. Cot y plus cot x is positive only. We can write it as cot x plus cot y. Otherwise, cot y plus cot x also can be. So cot of x plus y is cot x cot y minus 1 by cot y plus cot x. Next, cot of x minus y. So cot of x minus y is cot x cot y plus 1 by cot y minus cot x. So in the previous identity also, let me keep cot y plus cot x itself. Then only here also we will write y minus x. So if it is x minus y, in case of cot function, the denominator will be y minus x. Cot x cot y plus 1 divided by cot y minus cot x. X minus y means y minus x should be in the denominator. If it is negative sign, numerator sign should be positive. For tan function, what sign is here, the same sign should come in the numerator. Here, what sign is here, the opposite sign will come in the numerator. Now, for keeping in mind, we can use this one. So, here also, cot x can be written as cos x by sin x. So, the denominator is sin x. So, the sin function does not exist when it is multiples of pi. So, x, y and x plus y not equal to n pi. So, let me write cot of x plus y. In that, if we substitute y as minus y, we will get cot of x minus y. So, cot of x plus y is cot x cot y minus 1 divided by cot y plus cot x. So, here let me substitute y as minus y. So, cot of x plus minus y equal to cot x cot of minus y minus 1 divided by cot y. So, cot of minus y plus cot x. So, cot of x plus minus y become cot of x minus y. So, cot of x minus y is cot x cot of minus y. Cot of minus y is minus cot y. So, we will get minus sign here. Cot x cot y minus 1 divided by cot of minus y is minus cot y. So, minus cot y plus cot x. In the numerator, both also having negative sign. So, if we take negative sign common outside, so minus cot x cot y plus 1 divided by, so in the denominator also, let me take minus outside. So, we will get cot y minus cot x. This minus and minus if we cancel, so the answer will be cot x cot y plus 1 divided by cot y minus cot x. So cot of x minus y is cot x cot y plus 1 by cot y minus cot x. If it is having negative sign, the numerator is having positive sign. It is x minus y, the denominator is y minus x. So the product of the terms will come in the numerator for cot function. The product of the term will come in the denominator for tan function.